Hello. Hi, everybody. Hi, Assad. Yes, I saw your message. You are not late to this stream. 2 minutes and 30 seconds early. Yeah, so we're going to continue where we last left off yesterday. And I made a little bit of progress, actually. Thank you. I hope you're having a good day as well, too. Let's see. Okay, so yesterday, I think I might need your help actually with the grid. I tried I commented it out. I tried implementing the draggable, the drag and drop thing that we talked about. But I'll share with you the issues that I'm facing. But before I even get to that, wanted to, let me see. Let me put this a little bit. Yeah, so right now I'm working on the list one. So I have a table, and then that table should be representative as well as the similar to the grid, but the grid I guess is like a different view. If we click on this, this is my test. It'll take me to my link, and I saved the midday as my link as my resource. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay, I just had an idea. Anyway. Yeah, okay, so the delete ones work. So if I delete this works. I could add a link. Let's do web top, whatever. Hello, never tried the library myself. Oh, but I've been seeing a lot recommendations online. Wait, which library? Hello, hi Aleph, how are you? Okay. Inspiration. I might not need that category anymore if I have. Maybe I'll switch category to something else. Here, resources added, nice. So now I want to be able to edit it. That doesn't work at the moment because of a couple things. Right, so I have this sheet. Okay, so I have, where was I? Give me a second. Oh, the PDND, Programmatic Drag and Drop Library. Oh, is that what it's called? Or is that just like the general? The one that I've seen Code with Antonio use is called Hello Pangea, DND. I think it's a little bit more newer and based off of, I'm assuming, React DND, React Beautiful DND or something. Yeah, there we go. It's using React Beautiful DND. Oh no, that's just an example. Okay, it's like the similar concepts. Excuse me. If that's what you're talking about, otherwise I'm sorry for. No, you're good. Yeah, no, that's what I was talking about. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, we'll get to that. It's just let me see this. Yeah, I want to get this working so we could edit that. That is happening in our, so I have components, I have row actions. Okay, right, yeah, this is where I messed up, not messed up, but like I need to improve. Okay, so update folder sheet takes in this doc, but I need to change that right now. Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit different. Oh, I don't remember its name. I thought it was, oh, okay. No, because there's a bunch of different libraries for it. So, but the general idea, yes, programmatic drag and drop, that is the concept, yeah. Okay, yeah. Let me just change this all to any. I'm gonna fix this. I just need it to, I'll get back to it. Let me see, folder, resource item, right. Okay. Folder dot name, update folder ID is equal to folder underscore ID. This is not going to be this, but that should be that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why my face is just so itchy. Let's see. Okay. So if I refresh this, let's restart this. I should be able to edit the folder now. Like I could change the name and stuff. Hopefully. Okay. So now if I click on this, it opens this up. Nice. So inspiration page, let's say save. There we go. Okay. So that works. But I have to fix this. Let me see. It's not any. It's let's do folder type, I guess. Type folder equal to name ID. Okay. Is that, yeah, that's gonna give me issue because of, right, okay. Let me see. Folder name and ID. Resource. What is this again? Yeah, this is my thing, okay. Give me a second. I need to change my... Okay. Let's try that. Okay. Ooh, okay, I see what, okay. There we go, okay. Yeah, I can do that, okay. Hopefully I could do that. Should we try it again? Yeah, okay. So that works. Then we need to do something similar for link. Or for resource, whatever it's called. Where are you? Oh, okay. I think that's wrong. Okay. No. So for this one, all I need is, what do I need? Oh, category. I need more. Shoot. Okay. So it's not just that. Yee. Okay. Which makes sense. Alright. Do I want to do that? Should I do that? Okay. Then I just pass it all in there. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. Where are we? Where are we? Okay, so we were here and we have this. We want to return that. Okay, this is this seems like more of a type thing. I have to type issue I have to fix. Okay, so we have this and we have this. I got that, but we don't need this. We want this to be this. And okay. Okay. Right. Okay, so then. Okay, so this is fine. Oh, but then I have to go look for. Do I have to? Where am I using this? I'm using this here as well. Okay, but I have it commented out. Right. Okay, so I have those two open. I don't want to change that one either. Okay, so we have to go inside our data. No, is it this one? Links schema. Yeah, probably, and then I have to probably update this. But then it's like, I don't want to pass things that I don't need. Okay, right. Okay, let me have this open. Let me open my schema. Let me split this to 2 columns. Okay, so for folders we have plan ID. We need folder ID, which is item ID. No. Oh wait, I'm looking at folders. Oh yeah. Plan ID, name. Type is an additional one that we don't need to pass into it, but we need it in the other one. Okay, that's fine. And then parent ID. I mean, I guess name, parent ID. Okay, so I guess this one's first. Oh, but it's not gonna work. regardless, because I have this extra one. Oh, but I don't need to pass that. Okay. Alright. And then for this one, we have ID. We need plan ID, folder ID if it has one. Name, icon ID, folder name, icon ID, category, category. Yeah, I shouldn't. Okay, I shouldn't be doing this, but it's okay. Alright, let's leave it at that. Oh, and then do you know what? Then I'm gonna have to do, close this, go here, open this, go to editor, 2 columns, go here. Okay, we have ID, we have plan name in common, plan ID, we have name in common, and then these, okay, and then we have type in common, and then these ones would all be optional because I need to be able to pass it to my row actions. Okay, which is fine. Okay. I think, wait, what's this? Same name. Oh, I already have it. Okay. Parent ID. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing this right. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Hello! Hey, Ansip, how are you? Hello, hello. Alright, let's see. Resource. Hold up. Okay. So I have this. Okay. Resource item. No. I have update folder sheet. Oh, I need the schema again. Okay. So within this, we need plan ID. Go to that folder ID name. Right. But then why are you giving me this? Resource link item. Resource link item. Oh, okay, I guess that's what I meant. Type string. Alright. Interesting. Okay. Oh, that I don't need that then. Resource ID? No. What am I missing? Folder name, icon, category. Oh. No? Oh, wait. The expected type comes from property resourcing, which is clear. Type and name string is missing from the following properties. ID, creation time. Oh. Okay, so I'm still gonna have the same issue. Okay. So I'll only pass whatever I need to pass it. So, man, all this back and forth. Okay. So I really need, I don't need this, I don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Get rid of these. Get rid of that. Okay. This is optional. This is optional. Correct. Oh, wait. I actually do need this. But I could get rid of these. Okay. And then I would have to go inside. Oh. Where are you? Okay, here. I could get rid of this. Folder ID, I don't really need that. Parent ID, don't need that. Plan ID, I do. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Then we could go to delete this. This we could delete. Actually, okay, let's do that. Let's see what this goes. This one, right. No. Okay. Okay. Right. No, I understand that. Okay. So then now we're gonna go inside here. We're gonna redo this one. We're gonna have a different type. Okay. So we're gonna redo this type. Type link. Can I find form schema? Oh, okay. Okay, and then we're gonna replace it with this. Alright. That should. Alright, what issue do we get here? Okay, I'll just do it that. That should make that go away. Okay, let's go. Oh, that was for this one. Okay. This one. Plan ID. Oh. Wait. This was here. Okay. Update link. Oh. I don't need this, I think. Right? Where else am I using this? I was using this in here. Oh, okay, I don't need that. Okay. I could delete this. This is from the other one. Okay. Then we could do this. Okay. Then we do a type form item. Okay. Then let's replace this. Because it doesn't have anything else. Okay. Okay. Oh, not link item, folder item. Okay. Did I do the same thing here? Yeah, I did. Okay. And then we have to change this to ID. Okay. There we go. Okay. So let's get rid of this. We got that set up. We got that set up. We got this set up. Okay, we got that. Now, if I restart this, then alright. Now, if I try to edit this, this one should work. Oh, it includes the white space. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, so what if I just want to get rid of this? And web tops, I'm just going to do that for testing. Okay, nice. Okay, so this works. Cool. Very cool. Okay. If I click this, it'll take me to here. Okay. So I think those are working now. Okay, now we want to be able to, let's see. Okay. Comes the tricky part. Okay. So, well, I have a couple things left I need to do. First thing I need to figure out is when I click on this, I go to that sub page. Nothing is in it yet, but it still gives me this data. There's nothing inside this folder yet. I only have this and this. So this should be empty. Now I have to check in the search params if I have any item and filter my data accordingly. So we are showing this data within data table. So where do we filter this? Let's see. We could do it here. I mean, let's see, where else could we do it? We could also do it. We're gonna want it to persist. So I was thinking we have to do it from the root wherever I'm also doing the other one. That's going to be within content. Yeah, that's gonna be here. Alright, let's see how are we gonna do this. I have this data, which is all my data, right? Okay. Oh yeah, okay, so we are doing that here. That one's gonna be transformed. But how is that one gonna be? Alright. So I think I'm doing this in the wrong place. I could put this actually here, or I should put it here, I think. Or actually, that needs to be within my context. Okay, okay. And then the date, wait, that's, yeah, okay. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Alright, let's do this for a second. Let's do this as well. This doesn't necessarily have to be here. It could be done here. Context values. Can't I do that here? Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. Let's see what they recommend. Okay. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. Let me see what that does. And then also, I wanted to see if I could move this and be able to filter my data off of that. Oh, wait, but I still need it there though. Right, okay. But I could do this. And then return that data for the page that I'm on. I think maybe. Okay. Then I wouldn't need this. And I could just pass it in the data. And then I'll just show whatever the data is. Okay. I think I might do that. Should have done that in the beginning. No clue if this is the right way, but it's a way, I guess. Alright. Getting closer. Oh, that's so simple. Okay, that makes sense. That makes total sense. Hopefully. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that works. So there we go. Yeah, that's correct now. So then if I go to home page, it should show me only, oh, it's not showing me anything now. Okay. Close, but not quite. I think yesterday is, let me open this up. This helps a lot. So I'm trying to implement the, which part? I think this part. Okay, gotcha. Hopefully. But no. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have to. That is in my to do. I already added the types, the TS config for the path of that. It's just, when you're working on a bunch of things. Oh, that's why it's not working. Right, right. Okay. When you're working on a bunch of, when you're trying to do one major update and then you find something, but that's not really a part of the update, it's like, okay, I should have done that either before or after. If I do it within, then it will get mixed with those commits, because this commit is going to be mostly touching only the resource tab section. So yeah, I could do it right now. I could just do that and it should still work. So I guess I'll just do that slowly whenever I see it. But yeah, added to do, yes, yes. I get you. No, you're right. I'm like, there's so many things I need to do. Okay, so where was I? Data. Right, so I'm returning data. Oh, so the only way this works is if I do this. Is that it? I guess not. Okay. Data dot array dot context value data. Data dot data. Data. Okay. Data. What is this returning right now? Okay, this is returning that. So then here, the reason why it's not showing because let's go inside link list. Oh yeah, because I commented out. Duh. Okay. Data. Okay. Let's see if that does anything. Okay. And then I think I have to do that. There we go. Alright, this is not, I don't like this name. Okay. Resources. And then maybe I'll do resources.data. Maybe that's a little bit better. Okay. So now, refresh. We go here. Let's delete this. Hello, hi Danish, how are you? Okay, so if we go within here, it should be no data. Okay, but let me see. Totally, like, how did I do it before? If I went here, let's add another folder, test. It should show up here. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I don't want. It should always show. Should always show data. So, and then if I go in here, sub, there we go. Okay, nice. Okay, so where was it? Here, I could get rid of this. And then if there is no data, then it'll say empty. No data, exactly. Okay, that's what I want. Cool. Progress. If I refresh, it'll stay here. If I go back one page, it'll go there. Let's go back. We got that working. Okay. Now we want to be able to move this inside here. We could do that by... What's the best way to do this? You should be able to do it on the row actions. This... I want this row actions to be all the way in the end. I don't think there's any other information. I know midday they include like the size, but I don't have that as a thing. Okay. Row actions. This is gonna be... Where are we? This... Oh, is it row actions? No, it's columns. This column is gonna take up the whole thing. So I guess div class name with full, and then do that. No, it's still there. Okay. How do I want this to be justified end. Do I have to go here? Oh wait, I have to go instead here probably, and then do justify end or something. There we go. Okay. So that was it. Okay, let me get rid of this then. Okay, so that looks a lot better, you guys. We got the list view, which is the default, and then we also probably want a grid view, which I'm working on. Okay, to implement the drag and drop thingy. Alright, but for this, before we move forward, let's add... Okay, I want to be able to select... it similar to how I'm able to select it in work items. If you go here, you could select it like that. So we have to go to work items. And then let's go inside columns. We're going to add that select. This select right here. Let's import checkbox. And then what else do we need to import? Oh, I think that's it. And then whatever we are, let me refresh. Okay, that doesn't work. Let me do this. Oh, I think we have to. Love the tooltips. What did you build? Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me show you. Thanks, Assad. We got that. I think I have it enabled. Give me a second. Unexpected end of an input. Let's go back to, okay, so resources. Oh, okay, that's a little bit, why is it like that? I probably need to do this justify end as well. I think it's because I don't have that many items it's doing that. Yeah, I could also do it because I don't want to select all of them. What did I build? So I'm trying to build something similar to WebTop, but like our own version for our resources section. Our resources section right now in Project Planner AI is not the greatest. So it looks like this at the moment, and you can't really... It could be improved, so that's what we're working on right now. Oh yeah, I need to add the favorite one here. Okay. Maybe filter the ones that is favorited, and then I have to also pass that in. Can we make a folder favorite? But then why would you want to do that? Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Okay. So then I could do this, and then I could update something here that says, okay, I want to move that inside here, and then check if it's a folder. Move it inside there. Add new folder. What framework? I'm using Next.js. Just plain old Next.js. Okay, so where are we? I think I do need that div. Pink. Okay. Right. Okay. How do I make this a specific width? Okay, I think I need to wrap that actually. Not this one, but the other one. I need to wrap this to be a specific width. So let's do this. Let's put this inside here. Let's do a width of, let's try that. Really? No. Interesting. Okay. How do I... Assad, do you know how to do this? I'm trying to change the width of this. Well, I think another thing I could do is, I could get rid of... Good luck. I will come back again if you live program again. Oh my god, it's 2 o'clock. Well, thanks for joining for the time that you did. Header. Oh, yeah, I don't want that. Okay. Actually, no, it's fine. Never mind. I take it back. It's fine. Excuse me. Okay, so I actually don't need this. I'll take this. I'll put it in front of my link here. Then I will add that div here. Then I will, what is this? Enable sorting. Okay, I don't need this. Then I don't need this, yeah. If it's selected, oh yeah, so let me do this. Flex row item. Center space X 1, 2. Oh man, oh yeah, okay, I think this was the issue. There we go, okay, 2. That looks weird though, doesn't it? I think I do want that then. Okay, let's bring it back. I changed my mind. Okay, let's bring that back. It's this spacing. That was so annoying, right? Sorry. I had to have it in there. This spacing right here. How do I decrease the spacing? For this one, the reason why it's fine is because I have a lot of items in here, so it pushes this over here. I'm trying to make this spacing. Let me see. Right? I think use the debug tools. Alright, let's see. So we got this column, right? The column is this big. Okay. Padding. Okay, so it's saying that the padding, no, the padding is fine. See, look, that's align middle. Overflow, which one is it? Where's the first one? Yeah, that one. Okay, we got PX4 H12. Maybe flex grow 0. Oh, there's I'm talking to Assad. He's on Twitch. So on my end, you can see the messages in the top. His messages. That's who I'm talking to. And now I'm talking to you too, Tarun. Okay. I guess maybe flex grow, flex box. Right? Which one is it? Column span 1. I don't know if it's a thing, but I think it has something to do with the flex growing, right? Okay. How about not flex grow? Let's see. Flex grow. Is there flex grow none? Oh yeah, there is. Okay, flex grow 0. Like, or how about max width 10 px? No. Okay, padding 0. No. Okay. There's probably something somewhere. Okay, I'll just leave it right now. It's not that. Okay, yep. The problem isn't with the width, it's the spacing between them. Gotcha. Okay. So, okay, I think it's fine for now. Let me see if I can actually make it work though. So, in my header, I have something here. Okay, let me see. So when I click on this, I want something to show here that says move to, and then it'll have a drop down, and then it'll have all the folders that are available. Recently I graduated in computer science and engineering. I know Java very well. I solved 75 plus problems in LeetCode, code, but I'm still unemployed. The debug tool should have somewhere that says flex if you could identify. Please guide you. I'm probably the worst person to guide you because I've been programming for the last, how many years? What year is it? 2024? 5 years. I've been unemployed for the last 2.5 years. Had a job for like had 2 different jobs for 2.5 years. And the market right now is really bad. So I would recommend try building projects, getting as much, try not to forget how to code, see what skills are in demand. There's a lot of different coding fields. You could, or programming, computer science fields, there's DevOps, data analytics, see which field, there's web development, there's mobile development, see which field is that you're interested in and spend a lot of time building stuff. Just knowing Java and doing LeetCode is not going to be enough. You're going to have to actually know how to look at the job description, see what they're asking for, and learn those skills is my recommendation if you want to be employed. Yeah, that's a place to start. But just having a degree nowadays is not going to be enough, unfortunately. Let's normalize the LeetCode is boring thing. Yes, LeetCode, I think I've never had to do LeetCode for any job interview. I think it's mostly for FANG companies or certain companies. I think it's good in terms of helping you understand, I get, because I can't do LeetCode. Like I tried on one stream to do LeetCode and NeetCode. NeetCode was a little bit better, but I don't feel like I have the brain. I haven't practiced enough LeetCode or problems to have that mindset. I think building projects and stuff like that is a different mindset, a different problem-solving skill than LeetCoding problem skills. It's different, in my opinion. Code Wars is a bit better to get into. Hey Brandon, I haven't heard. What is Code Wars? Achieve mastery through coding practice. Interesting. Never heard of this. Thanks for sharing. Ooh. Yeah, this looks like more real world application. Sharpen your coding skills. Get instant feedback. Like you're actually, yeah. This is, ooh, cool. Okay. Yeah, here, let me share this. No worries. I tried competitive programming, but it's useless. It doesn't reflect real life skills. Exactly, yeah. And yeah, I agree with that. Oh, this is really cool. Okay. How did you find out about that, Brandon? Okay, but before we do that, let's see. When I click this, I want this header to change. So let's go to oh, that's not good. If I select it, the color changes. Okay, so I could get rid of this actually. Alright, let's see what it looks like without it. Oh yeah, I had that wrapper thing. Yeah, was it this? Was it this? No, wasn't this. It was this one. Yeah. Where are you? Okay, let's get rid of this background color. Resources. This one. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what that looks like. I like it though. Oh, I don't like that though. What is that? Okay. Oh yeah, I have to fix that. Okay, anyway. Okay, I'll leave it. Let's see here. It's pretty similar to LeetCode, to be frank, but I found it easier to get into. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Components. Table column header. Yeah. No, was it here? No. It's not here. It is inside it by content, right? So then this, okay. How did I do that again? I think I had this. I think I have this within. I have this within here. So where is that? How did I do that? I think it's. Yeah, okay, I have that here. Okay, so where is that? That's in here. Filter toolbar. I need to pass that within then. Filter toolbar. What did I do? Filtered is filtered. Yeah, I think I have to do that anyway. Okay. Right. Select. Okay. I have built 2 projects related to AIML. Oh my god, I've heard of that, but I don't know what that is. Okay, there we go. Artificial Intelligence Markup Language. Okay, so it seems like you're trying to get an AI job. So have you had any internships? Have you how far did those projects go? Are they incomplete or are they complete? And it does actually what you say it's supposed to do. There's a lot of questions involved. Okay. The original ID data item. What is item? What is this? Oh. Selected rows. Oh, yeah. Why is it not working? And type T data. Why not? Oh, I don't think I row selected on change. Did I not that? Oh, I didn't add that. Yeah, okay. Think I need to add this. No, that's there. Wait, what's the difference? What is the difference? What don't I have? Okay. Why is that? Oh, okay. With ID. I think I need to add that. with ID. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no. String. With ID is, oh, extends that. Right, right. Okay. ML machine learning. Yes, I've completed 2 internships. Okay. How many jobs? And at those internships, they didn't have an option for you to transition into a full-time position? Have you been applying to jobs? Okay, so if we go here, let's go here. Not work items, but let's go with this here. Refresh. Okay. Let's go. Let's click undefined. Okay. Dot. Oh, interesting. Okay. So let's update that with this. There we go. Okay, so we got the ID, and then that ID we have to have in order to push. Okay. Hello. Okay, so we have these rows selected, this row selected, and if this row is selected, I want to, okay, so how are we gonna do this? I have that header thing, so let's go back inside content. This header, I will, okay, view mode, I have to pass that in. No, that's not gonna work. Unless I pass those things into that. I can do that. It has to be in that order or else it doesn't work. I want that to show in the top. Let's move that to, and then to. Nope, they didn't extend into full-time role. I'm trying my level best to get technical job. I got a non-technical job, need to check it out. Yep. Yep, yeah, try to leverage your network because it seems like that's gonna be the fastest way to get a job. You have to apply to at least 1,000 jobs. It feels like nowadays to get any hear back from anybody, make sure that your resume is clean and the best that it could be. Make sure you're using keywords that the jobs that you're applying for are looking for. So yeah, just keep trying. Okay, so these things I have to put into a different folder because, I mean, a different file. Okay, so let's do that. Breadcrumbs. And I'll show you why in a second why we have to do this. Let's do that. Breadcrumbs. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You're gone now. Okay. Let's get this out of here. Let's get this out. Alright. Breadcrumbs. Alright, so then now we have to do the header. Links header. That. Alright. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I could take these out, put that in here, take all of these out since I don't need them anymore here, at least. Will you review my resume? I'll send it to you. If you, how about this? If you, do you want me to review it live on the stream? Because I think that's the only time I'll take to review it. I could review it so everybody could see and maybe give feedback. You just gotta send it to me on Twitter or something. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so right, I should pass in that same data, TBH. Then this needs to be updated with that data, any at the moment. We'll update you. Okay. Now I have to pass in. All right, what do I need? I need these things. View mode. Link section. I could do that there. Yeah. And I think I already have that. Yeah. I think that's it. Folder ID. Folder ID. Oh yeah, we can pass that in too. Okay. Yeah. What did I just have? Okay, I need folder ID. I need view mode. And I need on view mode change. So then I can pass to... Yeah, this is probably not the best way to do this. Okay. Then I'm gonna pass that into here. Because then I need this to be the header of the poem. Yeah. Ah, this is not right, but okay, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to do that though, but I have to. Okay. And then here we have to import the links header and the breadcrumbs. Import breadcrumbs. Okay, and the reason why is because we have the selected row IDs. If selected row IDs is selected, right, we gotta put that where? Let's do that here. This is like that. Plan ID. Oh, I have to also pass in plan ID, right? Handle set. Alright. ID is not generic. What does that mean? Where are you? Okay. That's why. Okay. And then the last one is plan ID. Did I not pass that? I did. Okay. Oh. Okay, my keyboard is not working. Okay. There you go. Okay, so we are going to select items. We have that in the header, links header. You are going to pass in that selected row IDs. If you see that, then you're gonna have a button called move to, and within it you're gonna have a API call that moves anything that you selected into that selected folder that you selected. So those two selected. Okay. The breadcrumbs, we only have that there because we want the UI to be consistent. So selected row IDs is equal to selected row IDs list. Let's see. Folder ID. And where is plan ID? And then what is this? Import ID from convex. Yes. Get out of here. Okay. We got this links list. I technically don't need links list anymore. I just need data table. But I guess so. We'll have it. Or should I remove it? Okay, I'll remove it in a second. Cause it's just repetitive. Selected, where is it? Row IDs. Selected row IDs is gonna be an array of strings. It's not, it's really a string, it's this array of string. Oh, well, it could be, yeah, it's a string, okay. Okay. Oh wait. Okay. Wait. You said okay. Yes. Fire. Okay. What was that? Okay. That you'll send it to me and you'll let me review it on the stream or what? Selected row IDs. Okay, so let's do a console.log. Okay, we're here. Now, if we have this drop down, we have this toolbar. Yeah, okay, we're gonna check. Let's see. Okay, a lot of things I changed and moved. Let's see. Whoa, what was that? Okay, so I have nothing selected right now. If I select this, it'll show me that. Good. Is there anywhere else that I am? Let's see. Where did we go? I could close this now. So we went from please don't review live. Okay. Why not? What are you afraid of? What's wrong with that? Okay. Let's see. Nothing gives me a headache like doing my resume. Am I saying too much or is that too little? Is this right or wrong? It's a nightmare. Yeah. But with ChatGPT, it's helpful now. You know, let's see. Okay, let me import my data table. Let me take this, because that's basically that. Let me replace it with this. Oh yeah, okay. Then I need to import this as well then. Okay. Okay, then do it. Data table. Why is the data table? Oh, because it's already there is what you're saying. Okay. Gotcha. And data is basically just this. So then we could go ahead and delete links list, whatever the hell I called it. Okay. Get rid of the U. Okay. I think this is a little bit more complicated. Okay. One less file. Okay, so we got that. Then refresh. Okay. When I click on this, oh yeah, wait, okay, we were in the header. Selected, let's see, span, let's do a, the only thing that I've been updating, I sent you a message on X, but if I use AI on my resume, it will exactly like everyone else. The only thing I've been updating it recently is my education progress and GPA. Less of a nightmare though, right? Like, yeah, I agree with you. I could use a review then, for sure. Okay. Okay. Let's see. If we have selected rows equal to that, yeah, there we go. Okay. Here, there we go. One is selected. Okay, but we want this to be in the same vicinity of this. Maybe should I put it at the end or in the beginning? I think the beginning makes sense, right? One selected, or should I put it right here at the end? I think here, right? And then let's do a text. Yeah, I already have that. Okay. Text small. We got you off track, my bad. Please not at the end because it will shift the UI, right? That's what I was thinking too. Okay. Let's say move. What should it be the wording? I have my personal data details in resume, that's why. Okay, so in terms of that, What kind of personal information do you have? Do you have your address? Because you're not supposed to have your address in your resume. How about this? I can open it. I won't share I'll like not share my screen, but I'll read the contents of it. Is that fine? So I won't share any of your personal information. I'll just tell you, okay, I would reword this. Or you just don't want me to do it on the stream. Okay, that's fine. You're fine with that. Okay, let me finish. Let's see how far okay, I have 30 minutes left into my stream. I'll do it in the last like 5 minutes. Last 10 minutes or something. So remind me if you're still here. Okay, so let's say one selected. Let's wrap this in a button. Save. Why aren't you saving? Because the button already exists. Okay. Hello. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you. You as well. Okay. Alright, so if I click on this, one is selected. Okay, so let's remove that then. I want this to be a drop down. Move. What did they do? They do something like this. And then you click here, copy all links. Oh, that's maybe useful. And then if I do that, does that move selected to. I'll do this as a popover. Import. Is it popover or drop down menu? I see the Muse drop down menu. We do. What should we do? Because the only thing right now that's annoying is the sub. Oh, I already have drop down menu. Okay. Where did I do that one? Right. Oh, yeah, I did do that. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do this. We got this right here. Okay. Now we have a drop down menu item. We got this on change, on click. This doesn't work. Okay. Let's see. Move selected to, drop down, nothing is there. Makes sense. Okay. Get all folders. Constant. Get folders for plan. Do I not have that? Probably not. Get all folders. Get all folders for plans. Yes, I do have it. Okay, dokie. Okay. Yep, we are using it here. But I want all of them because we want to show all of them. Okay. Import API. Okay, and then use query. Use query convex params. I don't need that because we got that right here. Plan IDs, ID plans. Folders. Okay, what is our issue? ID, we don't have ID. Okay. Could add that right in. Okay, let's do that. Let's do a console dot log folders. Now we will print all of our folders. Now, once we have printed our folders, oh, that's a problem. Hello, hi Faisal, I'm doing good. How are you doing? Okay, let's see. Where is this? This is my links header. But wait, that doesn't make sense. Oh, it does make sense. Okay, yeah, it does because I have a folder within this folder. Correct. Nice. Okay, I forgot I did that. Let's see. I want to display all my folders. Oh, right. Right. Okay, here is my folders object. I want to display all my folders within here. Nesting is correct. So ShadCN, the what's it called? Drop down menu. It allows you for the subfolders like that. I think Assad, we were trying to figure this out the other day. Let me see. If it has I heard my name and came running. Oh no, you're good. Building a project planner. Building a project planner for side projects is the most ADHD thing I've ever heard. I probably have ADHD. I'm just not diagnosed. I feel like I do sometimes. But yeah, oh yeah. So remember we were talking about yesterday how to do popover within a popover. I think this drop down menu has a sub menu, so maybe you could do a sub menu ish thing. Okay, render folder. I guess we're gonna try that out. Okay, let's add that in here. Explicitly any type. That's fine. Folders. Drop down menu portal. Oh, I don't know if thing is doing that correctly. Oh, submenu trigger. Oh, probably. Okay. Okay, let's do that. For now, we'll fix you in a second. I'll come back to you. And I will come back to you. Oh, about that. I don't know why my brain yesterday interrupted popover as dialogue. Oh, okay. That makes. Oh no, you're good. Okay. So. Okay, select the rows. Okay, let's try that. No clue if this is gonna work at all. Okay, let's see. Click this, move to. No. Refresh. Click this, move to. Alright, so we got a problem. And that is because something that has to do with here. Let's do that again. What was this? I have one other question. Go for it. What is your question? Okay, let's see. Okay, we have folders, folder, filter, folder, parent ID, folder, parent ID. Oh yeah, I don't have my parent ID in there. Oh, okay, I gotta pass that. Okay, let's pass that. We gotta pass that into our resource wrapper. No, resource provider. Yeah, okay. Filter, parent ID. Yeah. There we go. Something happened. Do I need that there? No. But will I have errors other places? Yes. Why is building a personal profile like trying to herd cats? I mean, as developers, we're basically our own clients, right? And let's face it, the demands we put on ourselves are higher than Elon Musk's expectations for SpaceX. Any advice for actually finishing the project instead of abandoning it and ship halfway through? Great question. So that is one reason why we built Project Planner AI. That is the main reason. One of the main reasons why, because me and Cody and a lot of other people experienced that same question that you ask. Why do we abandon these projects? And there are a lot of reasons, and we brainstormed a lot of potential reasons. And here, I'll share with you our brainstorm. We brainstormed, let's see, next steps, designs, final output, mood board, final output, designs, next steps. Let's see. Where was it? Give me 1 second, actually. I'll share with you what is the reasons. And I think every person has their own personal reasons, right? Let's see. No, that's not it. Let me see if I can find it. Design, next steps. Where was our... Was it here? No. Oh man, where did I put it? Search for... Brainstorm? No. Found in Canvas. Branding? No. Where was it? Issues? No. Was it in mine? Did we do it here? No. Oh my god. Hopefully it wasn't deleted. I don't think so. No, not this one. Give me one. Okay, if it's taking me too long to find this, I'll just... What's it called? Design, next step, starter kit. Notes. Oh, that's mine. All files, side projects. The amount of unfinished repos I have locally, I'm gonna run out of storage. Yeah. Okay. I can't find it. I had a document that we were like really diving into this problem. Let's... Okay, so why don't we finish Side projects. Don't worry, I'm gonna zoom in. Just give me a second. Alright. Why don't we finish side projects? There are multiple reasons why. Each person's reasons can be different. It could be we get bored. Let me know if we get stuck. It could be get stuck technically. Didn't really think it out. You know, we don't understand the problem we're trying to solve. You know, what else? It was taking more time than we thought it would. Why don't we finish side projects? We get bored, we get stuck. Was taking more time than we thought it was. Let me see. I think it gets stuck technically. Didn't really think it out. Don't understand the problem. Let me know. Why do we abandon? How about why do we abandon side projects? We don't have a system. We don't have a system of accountability in place. And what I mean by that is that since we are, like you said, we are our own clients, we don't, let's say, we don't have any repercussions if we don't finish the side project, right? We don't have an actual client that's paying us and that we have a contract with. So you could create a contract with yourself, but you know, it's up to you to like finish or like actually build it out, right? But what else? Am I missing anything, you guys? Focus, yeah. That's a good one. Lack of focus. Gotta go, but good. Thanks, Asad. Have a good one. Have a good rest of your day. Yeah, lack of focus. What else? Thank you. Yeah, there's a lot of reasons why. And what we're trying to do with Project Planner AI, at least, is try to figure out, like, try to create a system, I guess. We had a couple different ideas that we could have went with. Maybe lack of, what did I say? Lack of planning, lack of focus, lack of planning. Let me make this one simpler. We get stuck. Technically, we get stuck on the technical aspects. Afraid to fail. I don't know. Don't know. Well, that goes hand in hand with lack of planning. Sometimes it feels we're chasing after ghosts with these side projects. They're like shiny new toy. We can't resist but lose interest after a while. Yeah, basically. Look at all the projects that I have here, you know, that I haven't touched in a while. I just thought I had this amazing idea. I'm like, oh, wouldn't it be nice? And something like that doesn't exist. And then when you really start to think about it and be like, okay, this might be a little bit out of my ballpark. Also, you're only one person, you know, it takes a while to build something. Like I've been working with, on this platform with Cody for the last, like, since, well, we pivoted beginning of this year. So it's been almost 5 months, right? And if you look at it, it looks like, oh, dang, this is not that, like, complicated. You know, look at all this. If you go within one of these things, right? Like, oh, this looks simple. You just have a dashboard. But, you know, it takes time. And the reason why I haven't been on top of my other projects is because I've been focusing on one project, particularly this Project Planner AI project, and trying to make it better. So focus is really important. I'm learning and realizing. Also, you know, I think we also think about I think another reason have too many features we want to build out. So with each one, there's let's see, what can be the solution? Potential solutions for each, you know, if you like really start thinking about it. Then let's say, let's make it green. Potential solutions for this one, if we get bored, right, then try to think of a project. Come up with a project that let's see, before diving in, think about, is this project interesting enough for me to work on at least for 3 months, you know? Like, give yourself, I guess X amount of months. I don't know, I'm just like spitballing. Right? Interesting enough. Interesting enough for me to work for on a long time, and then you define that time, right? And then technical aspects, start simple, I guess. Can you do let's see, start simple and do the things you know how to do first. If there is a learning curve, add that time into account, you know. Yeah, you could say that too. Not having proper architecture. What do you mean by that? If else, right? Afraid to fail. Start simple. I guess that. Okay, we'll come back. Just like keep it all in one line. This one, afraid to fail. Expect to fail. Expect your, like, set your expectations. Set expectations super low. Right. This one was taking more time than we thought it would. I think this in programming in general, let me see, it never takes the time that you thought it would take. Let me see. If it's taking too much time, then you might need to simplify even more. You know? Lack of focus. That's a you issue. So I just lost $30. Oh no. Project system architecture. Sorry about that. So you're saying not clean architecture? Having too many features. I think this ties into this one, starting simple. this goes with this. Lack of planning. I think you focus more time on this. Focus more time initially on this before coding. Because I think a lot of people just start coding without really thinking. Clean architecture. You know, it's like there's a lot of things. Just look for this one. You need to implement. What's it called? Build a habit of cleaner architecture. Do more research. You know, the list can go on and on. I think architecture things come under planning too. Yeah, so there's a lot of things that could come under each one, and that's where like for this, right? I think my initial intention for this, right, whenever I have a new project idea, my initial instinct would to go here first, Project Planner AI. Okay, I have the idea. I'm gonna input my project name or whatever, TBD, doesn't matter, the idea and the target user, right? I think those things are the minimum things that you need to know at least. And then, you know, once you have that, right, let's say I had this idea called Repo Mapper. It's actually live. Let me see. And let's see. So visualize your GitHub repos in ASCII. So you connect your repo and select whatever, connect your GitHub account, select whatever repo, and it will give you something like this. And this could be useful for documentation, right? So I had this idea because I came across this problem. And then, right, I added it here. And then now, if I want to monetize it, I have a place for that. It's like, this helps me because it thinks about stuff that I already know, but then it's just there, you know. Some people don't know, you know, let's say plan. What aspects of a project do you need to think about? You have your overall project, you have marketing, like names, icons. There's like a lot of things that come into building or finishing a project, right? There's the technical aspects. There's, if you actually want to monetize it, there's different sides to that. So that's where, you know, this would help with. Yeah, for sure. Here you go. You could check out this repo. Let me see. So yeah, okay, let's get back to, okay, I think I'm probably gonna work on this on my own. Let me see, where did I last leave off? I was working on, right, so then it's up to me on how I use this as well. So, oh yeah, I have a work item already in here that I'm working on, updated resource tab. So this is general, but I have an idea of already, okay, I'm already having this in work in progress. Anyway, okay, the last few minutes, I'm just sad and depressed. Oh no, because you lost your $30. I'm sorry. Okay, so Tarun, I'm now going to, let's see. You said you sent it to me on, right, let me see. You wanted me to look at your resume. Okay, I have your resume open on my end. You won't be able, no one else could see it. Okay, are you ready? I'm looking at your resume right now. First off, okay, your name is at the top. Okay, you have your LinkedIn, good, email. Let's see. Areas of interest. I would just remove the areas of interest section. I would style your resume a little bit differently as well. Let me see. I would put your academic details on the bottom and your relevant experience at the top. Your experience, yeah, dude, there's a lot of like syntax things you need to fix. I can share with you guys my resume or a couple resumes that I've come across, and you can follow that structure. Because it's a lot cleaner. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I think I might just do that instead. Give me 1 second. Okay. So, let me see. Give me 1 second. Oh, there is this repo. Okay, let me see if I can find it. There is this repo that Dorian Develops shared in one of his videos. I'm trying to think. It's called Awesome CV. It's like a popular GitHub repo, but it uses latex if you want to use latex. But I like the styling and the format. But let me see. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay, here. Where did I put my? Let me see. Was it here? I think it's under my. Yeah, right. Okay, here. Okay, this repo. Okay. Let's see if this opens. Okay. Okay, so I don't have any personal information. All this information is already online anyway, so I'll share it with you. So here, let me share it. This is my resume, Tarun, and I'll share it with you too. Maybe I could post this somewhere on my website or something if anybody wanna. But it's a very clean and easy to, and I've seen a lot of other people's resumes, and they're if you go and type Google like this and type in something like this resume got me this job, or like this resume got me this Google job, and then people share with you. Yeah, this dude is popular. He shares with people his resume.
The resume that got me into Google.
So you could, yeah, like I'm into Google, Facebook,
and Uber. But copying this template is useless. What worked for me will not work for you. That's because your education. You can move different sections around to tailor the resume to fit your own unique profile.
Yeah, so I would definitely recommend looking at a template and try following that template, or a template that you know that got accepted somewhere, people got callbacks for. There's this other, it's called Resume Beam Jobs. Is it Beam Jobs? Yeah, Beam Jobs is also, this is a good place. You could see a lot of people's resumes, and it'll tell you, oh, this person got accepted to this, and they have like different types. Let me see. Non-sponsored. This I just found. I came across this. Beam Jobs, resume examples. I think you could select which one. Let's say software, or you want ML or something. See what a ML. Let's see. I don't think they have an example for ML though. There's a lot of ways, but yeah, how I like to do it is I put my information at the top, like my email. I don't put any like personal information, like number, because then people spam you. If they want to contact me, they could contact me through my email. You could put your experience first, you know, because that's what they're looking for mostly, your relevant experience, depending on the job. And then relevant projects, put the skills on the bottom, and then your education there as well. So I think that's the order that I've seen a lot of people have a lot of success with. And with yours, I think you have, give me a second. I think you have your structure is a little bit all over the place. So I would say put a little bit more effort and time into it, Tarun. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, or just send me, you can send me your updated one. But yes, anyway, okay. I took some time to look at someone's resume because they asked me to in the chat. Let's see. Oh yeah, I was here. Should I continue, or should I just do this on my own? I'll probably, oh yeah, what was the issue if I do this? Oh yeah, it's not showing up because of that. Folder name. Yeah, I make the changes. Thank you for your time. Yeah, no problem. Like, yeah, like you could tell if someone put a lot of effort, or, you know, not enough effort. When you look at your resume, think to yourself, because I had a resume and I was applying. I'm like, why am I not getting hired? And then I actually like read it. I'm like, oh, I have some typos. I didn't put enough time. And then I spent like a day or two like fixing it, and trying to get it better. And started getting like callbacks. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's the reason, because my resume, it's not structured nicely. So find a nice template. Because recruiters, you think about it, they only have a limited amount of time with their resume, you know, and then some of them have a system or uses AI, I've heard, and only filters out the resumes with the key terms of the job description. So if you're applying specific jobs, make sure that you're looking at the job description and include those terms in your resume if it's applicable, if you know it, you know, make sure that it's there. There's a lot of small things that you can do that make a difference. Anyway, you guys, okay, can you share? Yeah, I'll send it to you. I think I'll also put it on my website too if anybody wants to take a look at it. Anyway, okay, sounds good. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thank you for joining. I'm gonna take a little break, stretch my legs, and probably get back to working it off the stream. But let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, you could join the Discord, my Discord, or send me any messages on X. But yes, okay, thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Yes, okay.